Hi, I'm Ronald, back again with a new content this week. On this video, I'm gonna be sharing my entry for the virtual sketching event hosted by the Virtual Travel Sketch Facebook group, which is currently ongoing. The online event runs from April 9 to 15 with Cebu as their current virtual sketching destination, in time for the 2021 Quincentennial Commemorations in the Philippines. I will be adding more details about this historic event on the video description, so feel free to check that one out. Funny how it took me half an hour exploring the suggested sites for the virtual sketch, but ended up deciding to paint one of the most, if not the most, visited tourist destination here, which is the Magellan's Cross, located just beside the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño and in front of the Cebu City Hall. Again, I will be leaving you with the rest of the time lapse and the painting process. Hope you enjoy. Here's the final painting. Hope you enjoyed. Please do follow me on my other social media accounts to keep updated. And I guess that's it for now. See you on my next upload. Thanks. Bye.